Okay, so here's the deal. In this video, I had set up PDR in the Camaro, which if you don't know what that is, basically there is a little camera right here that shoots basically when you're driving, right? So it records out of that camera while you're driving. It offers all this like cool like stuff where it shows how fast you're going, your G-forces, all that stuff. I put the memory card in the car and it says it's recorded, but I can't get it to my computer. So that's why I'm making this segment where basically I wanted to include that stuff in the YouTube video, but it's not gonna be included because I can't figure out how to get it off that memory card onto my computer. Hopefully at some point in my lifetime, I will figure it out and we'll make a YouTube video with that. But for this video, that's not the one. So enjoy watching me drive around with just my helmet on. Just the way it is. Sorry. What's up, you guys? Welcome to another episode of Tanny's Garage. Today, you can't tell with all the stickers, we're gonna go try Autocross in the Camaro. Okay, so like I said, today's the first day that I've ever done Autocross. I have got my Ricky Bobby socks on, because if you ain't first, you're last. If you ain't first, you're last. Alright, so like I said, never done Autocross before. But what's crazy is I was telling my wife a little while ago that I want to get into racing. And ultimately, I would love to race like, you know, the Lamborghini Super Trofeos or something crazy like that. I used to do some like karting when I was younger. Not like the shifter karts or anything like that. Wow, the sun's really bad. Not like the shifter karts or anything crazy like that. It was like an actual place where you could just go and use their karts. But they went like 60-ish miles an hour. So it definitely scratched the itch. It wasn't anything like professional. But that being said, like I said, I've always wanted to get into racing. And it's funny, the other day I looked up, you know, how to get into racing. Oh my God, the light. Anyhow, I looked the other day of how to get into racing and on YouTube. And one of the things they were saying was to get into Autocross. And I was like, all right, cool, like I'll do that down the road. You know, it's just some guys racing in a parking lot. It was crazy because I was watching YouTube again and this guy's YouTube channel came up. Basically, he lives right up here where I live, and he was doing Autocross the other day. And I looked into it, and turns out there was literally Autocross going on the next day. And so that next day is today, and we are going to go try it out in the ZL1. Coming up to it now. At least I think we're coming up to it now. The map says coming up to it now. Got. How's it going? Morning. Morning. Thank you.
Print signature.
Alright. Okay, we're about to go. Again, this is the first time, so.
Alright, my man, you ready?
Alright. Dang, here we go. So she's sitting over there. When I pulled up after that last run, she's like, so we're gonna have to put new tires and brakes on everything. Yes. Yes, we are. Okay, so first run's done. Doing our second. We got 38 seconds on the last one. Hopefully I can beat that. There's a ton of just gravel all over the parking lot, so it's really, really easy to kick out the back end. So trying my best to keep the grip down, but we'll see. nice turn, I almost full sent it into the grab. Yeah.
Just have fun, but not.
I am having fun going fast. If you're not first, you're last. All right, so going for my third run now. See how it goes. Okay, 36.5. It's kind of where I'm sitting at. Hopefully we can get a little faster, maybe in 35s, but I was getting like all these alerts popping up, so we'll see. Last one was pretty good. I got 36.5, so we'll see what I get on this one.
I'm trying to get a video for Daddy, bud.
Okay, 36.8. So not any better than the last one. I was trying to go a little slower. I mean, more controlled on that one. So I think this is my 5th run. I think. I don't know. I've kind of lost track. Yo, got 35.8, so shaved off a whole second off that one, dude. That was pretty sick, man. Not gonna lie. Okay, so doing, I think this is my 6th one. Broke 35 last time, so that was awesome. There's a guy in an old 92, no, I think it's like 94 Camaro, and he's running like half a second faster. So I think if I can clean up some stuff, I think we can get there. Shaved off 0.4 seconds on that one. Honestly, I'm kind of glad this is the last run. My tires are looking pretty beat. Whoa, this is quick too. Whoops. crazy.
That was totally awesome.
Oh man.
That was good. That was
crazy.
awesome.
Okay, so that's it. I got home. Yeah, that was awesome. I wish they would do that more often up here because I would definitely do that way more often. I have to say though, my tires and brakes are completely fried, so I will have to obviously replace those at some point. I did get pulled away during the last drivers meeting, so I don't know my exact position out of everyone that was there. I did have someone say though that I was placed in the top 10. So, I mean, I don't know. I think that's pretty good for the first time. So, anyhow, if you're not subscribed already, please subscribe. That'd be awesome. Thanks for taking the time to watch the video, and I'll see you in the next one.